The Rigofill STB system has universal parts that let stormwater runoff soak in, stay put, and be stored. It is easy to set up, can be used with a camera, and saves space. Because the Rigofill STB blocks can be stacked on top of each other, they can be kept outside or inside the excavation pit, with only a small amount of space. It saves space by being stored close to where it will be installed. It is very light and has connections that can be used for more than one thing. This makes installations quick, easy, and affordable. The Rigofill STB blocks inspection tunnel is cross-shaped and transparent, providing unobstructed views of the block's interior. Bearing elements, geotextile conditions, and the entire soil area are just some of the things that can be observed. What you see here is a utility fabric column form for forming round concrete columns. Manufactured from high-strength polyethylene, it comes on 100-foot rolls. The fast tube form system eliminates the need for heavy wooden forms and costly labor. It also provides a number of sustainable advantages, chief among them being the fact that no waste is produced since any length can be cut from the 100-foot roll. A common problem with construction and building is the transport and weight of materials, but this type of tube takes up only 1% of the space of cardboard tubes, which is a significant advantage. They are extremely durable and weather-resistant, making them an ideal choice for outdoor applications. And of course, it's obvious that building this way is much faster than the common one. With the help of Durata and Pico, Hyperion Robotics has made optimized foundations that use 75% less material than traditional concrete foundations. Durata, a leading international renewable energy company, paid for the project, which aims to show the benefits of 3D printed concrete in terms of efficiency, CO2, health, and safety. Once the element was printed at Hyperion's facility in Helsinki, it was taken to Pico's testing site in Lahti, where it was pulled with both horizontal and vertical forces. The live testing showed that the foundation can hold 3 times its design load with only 1/4 of the normal amount of material. We've already heard of prefabricated houses, but this one is slightly different, especially when it comes to assembly. A-fold houses are a new kind of modular building system for residential and tourist use. Prefabricated wooden houses and glamping models from A-fold can be built to fit any space, design, or budget need. Compared to the past, wood is chosen as a building material for prefabricated homes much more often now. This is because wood is functional, looks good, and helps cut down on CO2 emissions. The wood is made of mineral fiber, which is great for insulating walls because it doesn't let heat or moisture through, and it doesn't let sound through either. Anchor Concrete Products Limited of Kingston, Ontario, supplied and delivered supersized precast culverts for the Highway 407 ETR extension project in Whitby. Short-span bridges, underpasses, stormwater, and stream water conveyance use culverts. The Anchor team worked with the 407 group to design a durable product that met their tight deadline. The precaster created a 2-piece, cantilevered clamshell culvert. This allowed the contractor to place the culvert pieces with a crane instead of pulling them together. This innovative design allowed for fast installation and assembly of the culvert. The culvert's spacious interior will allow wildlife to use it as an underpass, a design popular in Alberta and British Columbia due to their large wildlife populations. This culvert section, one of 3 for the 407 ETR extension project, is 76.6 meters or about 250 feet long and 3.5 meters or 11 feet high at its tallest point. Nothing is worse than a cracked wall, especially if water is dripping from the crack. MC-Injekt 2133 Flex is a one-component, hydrophobic injection resin that forms a flexible, permanently waterproof foam body when it comes in contact with water or moisture. It can be injected into concrete, bricks, rocks, and building soil, with or without water. But water is needed for the MC-Injekt to work. Before injection, dry structures need to be saturated with water for the MC-Injekt to effectively penetrate the structure and form a flexible, permanently waterproof foam body. It's a fast and reliable solution for concrete cracks as well as for brick and rocks. When it comes to decorating the exterior of the house, it's never an easy job. However, there are some products that can make it easier, like this column wrap that can transform any ordinary post or column structure into a beautiful and elegant presentation. With the column wrap, homeowners can create a beautiful and eye-catching design for the exterior of their house in a fraction of the time. One of the biggest advantages of this type of column wrap is that it is simple and easy to install around an existing structural element. The design of the column wrap is also versatile, allowing homeowners to choose from a variety of styles and finishes to perfectly match the overall aesthetic of their home. And you can install it at any time of the year since no mortar is required. This uniquely designed manhole cover, Trigona, makes roadwork repair easier. Trigona is designed to make street repairs easier by allowing construction workers to quickly and safely remove manhole covers without the need for specialized tools or heavy equipment. The opening is also much wider, so there is more space for workers, which means that repairing will be easier and faster too. This not only saves time but also increases safety, as there is less risk of workers becoming injured while removing heavy covers. If you've never put together reinforced concrete, you might not know what rebar tying means. During the process of pouring concrete, the steel rebar that gives strength to floors, walls, and other structures is held in place by tying it to the other rebar where the rods cross. This can take thousands of ties for a building or bridge of a good size, and it is usually done by hand. SkyTy is a new company that is still in its early stages but has a great idea: a fleet of drones that can tie rebar together. So the drones need their batteries swapped every 25 minutes, which means they generally have time to put down 70 to 80 ties. Right now, each drone does one tie every 20 seconds, which is in line with humans, who can do it faster but generally go at about that speed or slower. This is a mobile brick making machine, and as you can see, it can produce brick while it is moving. This is a great machine because it can reach any place and produce bricks on site instead of transporting them, especially over long distances. This is particularly beneficial for remote and rural areas that would otherwise need to transport their bricks from a central location, making them more expensive. The mobile brickmaking machine is a great way to reduce costs and inefficiencies while at the same time making sure that even remote areas can benefit from the technology. This European terrace sub-base system lets a professional build the best decks and terraces and saves money by cutting down on the number of pedestals that need to be used. The aluminum system is easy to set up and can be done quickly. It has almost no screw connections, and you can use it to make stairs and ramps. The BERA terrace systems can be used in gardens, around pools, and on roofs. All pedestals are made according to European rules for use on roofs and have a large base that can hold the load. These terrace systems can be used for both light and heavy loads. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any next videos of various tech and gadget reviews. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.